it's me, Ivy. So here's a simple tutorial on how I did those soft white Playboy nails. So right here you're gonna see me laying down the acrylic. So I'm gonna start off showing you guys. So right here what I did is the pinky, I did put it as a clear nail because you know the pixie crystals are gonna go on this nail. So right here you're just gonna watch me lay down this acrylic, and this video is fast forwarded, so you know, like, I'm not really showing you how I'm laying down the acrylic in this video. This video is more of how I did the design, but go ahead and just watch me lay down this acrylic, and then as needed I will be taking you guys step by step. Okay guys, I know you guys have a lot of trouble with doing the marble, but this right here, I did it really slow motion so you guys could see. So right here, there's no acrylic but on the base where her natural is. I went in with a regular polish and then I dipped it in some, I think I dipped it in monomer this time. You could use monomer or acetone, it doesn't matter. I've learned it works either way. So I dipped that brush in acetone or monomer, and you see how I'm letting that soaked monomer or acetone just make the swigglies. That's how I do the marble. It's very easy, guys. The liquid does the marble for you. All you have to do is guide that water and start creating the marble look. So this is in slow motion, guys, so that's how I do it. And right here I let it dry for a little bit, maybe like 3 seconds, and I went in and encapsulated it right away. You could use regular polish or you could use gel. Usually I just use gel and then cure it and then put the clear acrylic over it, but this time I couldn't find my white gel polish, so I just went ahead and used regular polish, and you can see it works either way and the outcome is phenomenal. Here you're gonna see me do the filing. I went very slow. If you guys watch my previous videos, I talk about filing all the time. This is just for new people that's never seen my videos before. So this is a really good technique. When you're filing, you face the client's hand, you know, towards you, and so you could get the top straight and not crooked. You know, you file, you know, back and forth, so you could create a straight, not crooked nail. So, you know, when you have her hand flipped over towards you, you could see what she's seeing, you know, because when you file it the other way, like, you know, the regular way, when it's the hand's just down, like you know, you think it's straight, but when she's looking at it, it's crooked. So filing this way, you could see what she sees, and you guys both see the same thing. I've said in other videos, I'm just checking if that nail is hard. That's how I was hitting it. But I've said in other videos, like, a good example is, like, you know, when you're getting your feet done and you think one nail's crooked, but you're trying to tell them that your nail's crooked, but they don't see that. Well, it's the same with the hands. So right here, on the side walls, you see how the hand is still facing me? You know, that's how you create that straight look too. That straight, crispy, coffin shaped look. Even on stilettos, that's how you create the straight look when the hand's facing you. I made a video on how to file by itself, so if you're having trouble, go check that out. Well, the Playboy bunny, it's a sticker, you know. I didn't record myself doing it, so that's how I was showing you the stickers, and I used the tweezer to stick that on. And right here, I'm getting the Gelix. That's a Gelix pot that really secures your diamonds, or, you know, your crystals. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the pinky. I'm gonna make sure it's chunky so it could hug those pixie crystals, you know. So yeah, I make it chunky. Go ahead and watch me. And while I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and get my Born Pretty transfer foil. That costs like $1 on eBay. Born Pretty transfer foil. Look for it, or maybe I might give you guys a link. That one makes all the foils stick. So in the beginning, it's gonna look like you painted a white nail, but it's not. When it dries, it turns clear, and whatever transfer foil you have, it goes right on. So what I did right here is I grabbed crumpled up some paper, so because I usually use a tray so my pixie crystals won't go everywhere, but this is what I've been using, just paper, crumple it up, you know. But right there, you see how I placed some diamonds on her, because that's how the design that she brought looked. So remember that little Gelix on her half finger, it's pretty chunky. So now I'm going in, dropping in the pixie crystals, and I start wiping the sides. And then I also like to press them down so the Gelix could be hugging them, you know, so she will have, you know, long lasting pixie crystals, you know, so she could be on fleek for like a whole month, like, you know what I mean. But you see how I press it down lightly enough, not too hard, but enough so they could be hugged by that thick Gelix. That's the name of the brand, Gelix. Okay, so I went ahead and I told her to put that in there, and I'm already securing the Playboy bunny with the gel. And what sucks is that I didn't catch on the video how I put the gold foil. I'm just noticing right now. But all you need to do is get a sheet and dab it on that finger. You see where the gold foil is at, you know, and then it instantly transfers, like instantly. So that little pin right there is a wax pin, so it instantly grabs diamonds. I've seen people use tweezers. Girl, if I use tweezers, I would take like 5 hours doing nails, girl. You need to get a wax pin. I don't know what type of diamonds they're putting on that they need tweezers, but girl, you need a wax pin. Oh, and then I go in and I start wiping the sides, because gel kind of, it's thick, so I like to wipe the sides before I cure her finger. There I am doing the other hand, putting gel over it, wiping it, because I don't like round sides. Okay, right here I'm putting some more gel, I guess. And the pixie crystals, I like to put gel on the sides of the pixie crystals just so they could be more secure. Alright, and go ahead and watch me put the rest of this gel on. Alright guys, well, I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put cuticle oil on her fingers. I advise you to always have cuticle oil on you because you want to moisturize your client's hands. You know, monomer is a pretty harsh chemical. No, it's not that harsh, but you know what I mean? It still dries out your hands. So you want to moisturize her cuticles, rub the cuticle oil in. Don't rub it on the nail, rub it on her skin. And there you guys go, guys. If you guys like this video and if I helped you out, go ahead and like this video and drop a comment down below, a heart or something. Thank you.